Are you worried about the health of your pet? Not sure if your furry friend is sick or in pain? In this video, we introduce you to the key signs that your pet needs help. You will learn about the most common signs of illness and pain in pets, as well as how to spot and respond to them effectively. We'll also cover the importance of regular vet checkups, how to keep a pet first aid kit at home, and how to make sure your pet has a healthy diet and lifestyle. Don't miss this opportunity to learn how to protect your pet's health. Pets are considered family members to many people, and their well-being is important to everyone. Pet owners are often so busy that they don't notice the signs that their pet needs help. However, it is important to be aware of the warning signs and act quickly if something is suspected to be wrong. Here are some common signs that your pet needs help. Appetite changes. A sudden change in appetite may be a sign of an underlying medical problem. If your pet is eating less or doesn't want to eat at all, he may have an illness or digestive disorder. Changes in behavior. If your pet has suddenly changed in behavior, something may be wrong. Some examples include depression, aggression, or anxiety. Changes in urination and defecation behavior. If your pet is having difficulty urinating or defecating, or is doing these things in unusual places, he may have an underlying health problem. For example, a urinary tract infection or bowel problem can cause changes in urination and bowel movements. Weight changes. A rapid increase or decrease in your pet's weight may be a sign of an underlying health problem. This can include diseases such as cancer or thyroid problems. Lethargy and lack of energy. If your pet seems constantly tired or doesn't have the same amount of energy that he used to, he may have a health problem. Coat changes. If your pet is losing an excessive amount of hair, or his coat is becoming dull, he may have an underlying health issue, such as an infection or skin problem. Pain or discomfort. If your pet seems to be in pain or is more sensitive in areas than it used to be, he may have a health problem. Some examples include joint pain or an injury. Changes in sleeping habits. If your pet is sleeping more or less than normal, he may have an underlying health problem. It's important to note that these are just a few examples of signs that may indicate your pet needs help. Your pet may have a health problem that is not on this list. Therefore, it is important to keep an eye out for any changes in your pet's behavior or appearance and seek veterinary help if necessary. In addition to keeping an eye out for these signs, it's important to take your pet to the vet for a regular checkup. Regular checkups allow vets to catch health problems early and treat them before they become more serious problems. These checkups also allow veterinarians to verify that your pet is receiving proper care and attention. In emergencies, it is important to know how to respond. For example, if your pet is having difficulty breathing, it's important to take her to the vet immediately. It is also important to have a pet first aid supply at home, such as a pet first aid kit, to help your pet in the event of an unexpected injury or illness. In addition, it is important to maintain a proper diet and a healthy lifestyle for your pet. This includes giving him a balanced diet and an adequate amount of physical exercise. If your pet is obese, it's important to work with a veterinarian to help her lose weight safely and healthily. In summary, it is important to watch for signs that your pet needs help, take your pet to the vet for regular checkups, have a pet first aid supply at home, and maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle for your pet. If your pet is showing signs of illness or pain, it is important to seek veterinary help as soon as possible to ensure their well-being and recovery.